For reading today, we are in week 2, day 9. Our topic is social emotional learning, empathy and kindness. We've talked about empathy in class. Empathy is thinking about how other people feel. Our fiction book is called Stick and Stone, and our nonfiction book is Empathy, I Know How You Feel. Here are some activities you can do when you're finished. So what to do to start is press Take Me There. So you can watch the story Stick and Stone by pressing here or here. You can read the book Empathy, I Know How You Feel by pressing here or here. In Puzzlers, you've got word match, fact or fiction, and which came first, and then you can do the 2 activities and dive deeper. When you are done, make sure to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes, do your phonics lesson, and press the blue turn in button. Good readers practice their reading, so please read books you have at your house or read books on Epic Books for extra reading practice.